We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another auction video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around. Special thanks to Copart. Special thanks to the Hustle Nation. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to join the Hustle Nation. Man, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram if y'all haven't already. The sun is bright as ever out here today, and it is super hot. I don't see a lot of stuff out here today, but we still gonna check out some cars, man. Like I say, follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. I can't even open my eyes, it's so hot. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars, pick out good cars at the auction, inspect cars, whether you're trying to buy from a private party, another auction, it don't matter. You know what I mean? I don't want nobody messing y'all up. I don't want nobody selling y'all a limit. I'm showing y'all exactly how to pick out cars at wehustledaily.com. So make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. It is not a game. First up on my list is this Silverado here, 4x4. 2500 though. Is it the diesel? I don't know. Let's see. You got some beefy tires on there though. It was some workmen. They were some workmen. Cause that boy got some paint. Look like some paint. Some, what's that? Some oil. Got a little box right there. Got a lot of oil, don't they? Let's see. We diesel or what? Nah, we definitely not diesel. Not with that little tailpipe. Body looks good though, 4x4. Let's see what this joint sound like, if it'll sound like anything. Gotta be careful on these rocks, man. Yeah. I see the, okay. Hopefully the other door can open. Let's walk around here. Like I said, I got to be careful. I got to be careful, man. Okay, so the front, that little piece going on the front, that little black piece, that joint gone. It go like right here. Y'all know what I'm talking about, don't y'all? Okay. Okay, at least they didn't do the front. I mean, yeah, the inside all disgusting. Like, that's what's up. All right, I ain't got time for this, but y'all see the back. What they got hangling and dangling up here? What is that? Oh, let's reach over and see if I can give them a crank. Ah, it's dead. It's dead. I don't even think I really want to fool with this though. I ain't your truck man, but if I see a real good one like that Dodge Ram y'all see me got, I'll get it. But I mean, this one not straight. I don't like it though. You know, it's just some of them I don't be liking. Yeah, I'm straight. Let's keep it moving. All right, I know y'all want to see this Camaro. I thought it was the SS. It's not. So I know that SS gonna have that leather. This definitely ain't got that leather. Y'all see it though. RS. Yep. Still be kind of can be pretty cool in the RS. Let me show y'all the damage though. It is some damage on it. So fender, probably some suspension work up under here. Not probably, definitely some suspension work. You see the control arm broke. That's a sway bar. That joint broke. Looked like it came off the strut. Everything. Look like it probably could be fixed though. Interior. Okay. A little plain Jane in here to me. It's the convertible though. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below of the RS. Let's keep it moving though. It's hot as hell. Check out the Tesla. Tesla got hit in the back pretty bad right here. Ooh, bent the whole trunk up. Got to be careful on them rocks. I like this Tesla. Is the door gonna open for us? Hold up. Damn, nope. Well, I can't open the door for y'all. I say 600 miles. They got that white interior in that joint. Them Teslas be looking so futuristic, man. I like the Model 3 better than the Model X. I do personally, because I don't know. I just like this car because it's smaller. I know the X is faster, but I like this one better. This one is nice. I wish I could open the door, but I can't. But that's plain too. But it's plain but futuristic looking. Yeah, it won't open though. But what y'all think about the Tesla, man? Let's keep moving though. I like the Model 3 over the Model X. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Y'all like the Model 3 or the Model X? Y'all let me know. All right, we gotta make this quick. My camera is dying. Oh snap. But anyway, Corvette. Here go another one. I know y'all seen one of these at my tow yard auctions not too long ago. This is 77. Gotta be careful on these damn rocks, man. Got them red guts. They've been doing them red guts for a while. Clean, got a little valve cover gasket or something right there. I don't know why that's right there. Probably off the car. We gotta see. Little noise. That's gotta have to be annoying opening a door like this, putting your hand down there. But nah, shit, you was riding one of these in 77. You was the man. You ride one of these right now, I'll restore it. You probably still the man. Got the flip up headlights. Oh man. God dang on camera dying today, folks. This is first. When you're grinding. When you're grinding. Yep, and it is off there. Y'all see it. They was working on this joint. Distributor messed up. Everything. Let's not waste too much time with our camera dying. Let's get it. Monte Carlo alert. I've had one of these before, only one, and it was this body style. I had a 07. It was one of the first cars I ever flipped. 07. That boy had 256,000 miles on it though. Ah man, it was black. It came. The bumper needed to be replaced, and I think the fender. When I knew fixing cars wasn't for me, man. I just want to flip them. Got some goodies back there. Got some goodies back there for you. Yeah, plain Jane though. I'm pretty sure this guy definitely not gonna crank up. Right here. Oh, boy, be tripping over these rocks. This the LT. Mine was the LT2. Not the LT2. I mean, mine was an LT also. Y'all get it? 162,000 miles. Let's see if this joint gonna crank up. I don't think it is though. I doubt it. Nope. Got the TV in there and everything though. But yeah, man, we gotta keep moving. Camera's dying. Let's keep it moving. Look at your big boy Lexus truck. How y'all like these? Now I don't think the big face, the grill, I don't think it look bad on this truck. Now on the IS, the new IS 250, I don't think it look bad either. But the ES and the GS, I don't like it. Y'all check. Ooh, wait till I show y'all this interior. I just got a peek up in that thing. It's a nice truck. Ooh, what happened to our Dodge here? This the LX570. Yeah. Damn. Oh, it ain't red. It's like, okay, they got the little covers over the TVs. That's cool. That's what's up, man. It smell like that good leather in here. I like this truck. It's cool. Third row. You're sitting on that, like, I don't know what color y'all think this is. It definitely ain't red. It's like, I don't know what the hell it is. It's nice though. I like it. Oh, it's going to crank up, and there go our steering wheel. That steering wheel, I keep telling y'all about this steering wheel. I like the steering wheel for some reason. Nice. Can you cool me off? Because it's hot as hell. Cool your boy off. Yes. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sit in here cool off, y'all. It's hot as hell. It's working. 4-wheel drive, is it? I think. Yeah, 4-wheel drive. It's a nice truck. Nice little family truck. Like a refrigerator, doesn't it? Oh, it is. It say cool box. Oh, that is cool. Yo, I can feel the air coming out here. That is cool as hell. I think I like Lexus now, baby. And if you push it again, it turns it off. Push it again, it turns it on. So you can keep your drinks and everything cold. Yo, this is one cold truck. Yeah, this is a nice truck, y'all. I like this truck. It got a damn refrigerator in it. Full tank of gas. This might be it right here. This might be the truck. This might be the truck that that's crushing all the trucks. All the SUVs, range and all of that. I think the front look decent because it's a big truck with the wide mouth. That's why I don't think the fish mouth look bad on here. It's hot though. I'm gonna have to sit in here for a minute. Big boy V8, I think 5.7. Let's see. 5. I don't see it. Do y'all see it? I don't see it. But y'all can let me know in the comments below, unless I just don't see it. But probably the 5.7 or something like that. Yeah. But man, let me sit up here for a minute. I think I got one more car to check out. I'm not sure. I gotta look on my list anyway. Either way it go, I'm about to sit in this joint. Sit in this joint. Ooh. All right, y'all. Give me a minute, cause I know y'all see me. It's hot as hell. So give me a minute. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, Hustle Nation. My camera is dying, so I gotta go ahead and make this outro, man. Oh, look at the 6.4 Charger challenge. Scatty. And it's gonna crank. Let's crank it up for y'all. Let's see something real quick. Hold up. And I can barely get in this joint. But all right, man, let me go and get up out of here. Let me see that motor real quick, see if they did something to it. That joint loud. But yeah, man, Hustle Nation, my phone is dying, so I'm gonna have to look at this last car without my people. I am so sorry. But I checked the this out for y'all. What they got, an oil catch can in here? That's something they added. So that's the only thing I see. Y'all let me know if this is called an oil catch can. But y'all see it though, man. It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Oh, and they added the this the front sway bar or whatever. But all right, y'all, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If y'all haven't already, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to join the Hustle Nation. Greatly appreciate the whole Hustle Nation. Special thanks to Copart once again. Oh, and it's starting to rain. I'm about to leave just in time. Damn. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. That's my Instagram. Y'all can hit me up on Instagram. And make sure y'all want to learn how to check out cars. Y'all go to wehustledaily.com. I'm gonna show y'all how to pick out a good car at the auction. I'm gonna show y'all how not to buy no lemon, you know what I mean? So If you want to buy a car from a private party, you don't want to buy no car from no auction, same thing. I'm gonna still show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all everything I know when it comes to picking out cars in general, period. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Shout out to Copart. It's your boy Ray. I'm tripping all over these rocks today. I'm gone. Peace.